Need to start receiving calls, messages, and notifications again? In this quick tutorial, you'll learn 2 easy ways to disable Do Not Disturb on your Android phone using the Settings app or the Quick Settings panel in just a few taps. Method 1. Turn off Do Not Disturb from Settings. Go to the Settings page, scroll through the menu and tap Notifications. On some Android versions, you may see sounds and vibration before finding the Do Not Disturb option, but most devices list it directly under Notifications. Next, tap Do Not Disturb to open its settings page. At the top of the screen, you'll see a switch showing whether the feature is currently enabled. Simply tap the switch to turn it off. Once disabled, your phone will begin allowing calls, messages, and app notifications to come through normally again. Method 2. Use the Quick Settings panel. If you want the fastest method, use the Quick Settings panel. Swipe down from the top of your screen with 2 fingers or swipe down twice using 1 finger to fully expand the panel. Look for the Do Not Disturb tile. It usually displays a circle with a horizontal line inside it. If the icon is highlighted, colored, or active, it means the feature is currently turned on. Simply tap the tile once to disable it. The icon will become inactive, confirming that Do Not Disturb has been turned off. If you don't see the tile, you can edit your Quick Settings panel to add it for easier access in the future. That's all there is to it. With Do Not Disturb disabled, your Android phone will once again ring for incoming calls, play notification sounds, and display alerts as usual. You can always turn the feature back on whenever you need a quieter, distraction-free experience.